Do you know that as a Nigerian citizen, unlawful acquisition of a child, unlawful buying of a child is against the law? Section 371 of the Child Right Act made us to understand that whosoever that unlawfully get the custody of a child is liable to a fine of 200,000 or 10 years imprisonment. Yes, the law allows you to buy a child, to acquire the custody of a child, but it must be legal. It must follow the due process. If you go by a criminalized way to get the custody of a child, the law will hold you liable, just like what's happened in the case of VDM versus one lawyer that unlawfully acquired the custody of a newly born child. Yes, ignorant child is known as. As a Nigerian citizen, you are a barren person and you want to buy a child. The law is not against it. But you must make sure you get yourself a lawyer who would sign an agreement. And also, you must make sure that the person selling the child is the real mother, the biological mother of a child that you are about to buy. If not, ignorant child is non excusat. It's either you pay 200,000 naira to the court or you go for 10 years imprisonment, depending on how intentional the court is about it. Or they might even collect 200,000 naira and also sentence you to 10 years imprisonment. Ignorant is non excusat. Ignorance of the law does not confer as an excuse. But the fact that you do not know does not mean that the law will exculpate you from the crime. If you want to buy a child, follow the due process, call a lawyer, make sure that the person selling the child is the real biological mother or the person that has the full custody of that child that you are about to buy. Make sure that the child, you are not buying it for the purpose of exploiting the child, for the purpose of harming the child, but you are buying it for the purpose of taking the child as the biological mother.